Today on Salon Talk with Be True to You Hair Salon, we will be discussing detangling locks. Just a little backstory about this client. She started her locks July 22nd of 2021. She was very happy at the beginning with her locks, but got very discouraged as she was going through her lock journey. I tried to explain to her that everybody has this feeling. It's called the ugly stage. The part that you are battling with yourself, battling with decisions, battling with indecisiveness. But although I tried to speak life into her locks, into her, she still decided that today was a day that we were going to go ahead and detangle her locks. As I was evaluating, we decided that we were going to go ahead to take 2 inches from the bottom of her locks, and we were going to start to detangle from there. As you can see, they were very healthy. You may see just locks, but I see a journey. And this journey of self-reflection, a journey to see that she can control who she is, how she treats herself, and who she's becoming. Thus, the reason why she's here today to be true to herself. After 12 months, this is how much shedding she occurred, and these are her final results. So if you have a stylist that says you cannot detangle palm rolled locks, it's absolutely not true. These are her final results. Let them speak for themselves. And always remember, the only person that you need to be true to is you. Thank you all for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and comment.